Hello everyone and welcome to Easy English with Joanna. Today we are going to talk about pronunciation, and I promise I will keep it short and sweet. But first of all, tell me, are you struggling to pronounce words like vegetable, chocolate, or February? If you are, don't worry, because you're not alone. And these words can be tricky, but I'll show you how to pronounce them like a pro in no time. Remember, I help English learners like you build fluency and confidence. So if you want quick, practical tips to improve your speaking, like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a video. Now let's get started. First word, vegetable. Most learners get stuck on this word because of the spelling, which would sound like vegetable. But here's the trick. Don't pronounce every letter. Instead, simplify it to 3 sounds, or even 2 if you want. Vegetable. Emphasize the rhythm and stress only the first syllable, veg, and keep the others light. Table, vegetable, vegetable. Next word, comfortable. Just like vegetable, many learners find this word tricky because the spelling suggests it should be pronounced of comfortable. But every syllable is not clearly enunciated here. Native speakers say comfortable, almost the same as vegetable. Stress the first syllable and say it clearly, comf, and the rest, table, make it softer and quicker. Comfortable, comfortable. Next up, February. This word often trips people up because it looks like it should be pronounced February with 4 distinct syllables. But in everyday speech, most native speakers simplify it to February. And here's what's happening. The first syllable, Feb, is emphasized and clear. Next up, the R is silent, making the second part sound like February. So instead of saying February, it's February. 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 Next one, chocolate. Chocolate is another word that's often overpronounced. Many learners try to say it as chocolate, but native speakers say chocolate. Let's break it down. The first syllable, chalk, is stressed and pronounced clearly, while the second part, lit, is quick and almost blends together. Imagine you're saying it in only 2 syllables, chocolate. Practicing it this way will make it easier to sound more natural. Because just like all the words until now, it's not about pronouncing every letter or every syllable, but about sounding smooth. Chocolate. Chocolate. And last but not least, Wednesday. This word is particularly challenging because the spelling and pronunciation don't seem to match at all. It looks like it should be Wednesday, but it's actually pronounced Wednesday. And here's why. The D is silent. and the middle part is blended into a single syllable, whence. The second syllable, day, on the other hand, is short and clear. Focus on the rhythm of the word. Say it as Wednesday without pausing between the two syllables. And the secret again is to not pronounce every letter. Wednesday, Wednesday. And now that we've made it to the end, here's a pro tip to help with pronunciation. Practice saying these words slowly at first, breaking them into sounds. And once you feel confident, try saying them faster until they flow naturally. Don't overthink the spelling, because it's not about pronouncing every letter. Focus on the natural rhythm instead. And you can even record your voice and see what you sound like until you get the right pronunciation. Now let's recap together. Vegetable, comfortable, February, chocolate, Wednesday. Great job. You're actually doing better than you think you are. And remember that repetition is the key to making these words flow naturally. Now tell me, what other words do you struggle with? Let me know in the comments down below so I can include them in my future videos. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share with someone who's learning English, and also to subscribe for more quick tips to boost your fluency. Thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and see you in the next video.